Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install Gpedit.msc on home edition of Windows 11 and Windows 10. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to click on the folder icon. Right click on the gpedit.bat file and select run as administrator and select yes. After getting operation completed successfully, you just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. Type gpedit.msc and click on OK. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.